Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
What is crack-a-lacking with you today? Good morning. This is your 1 minute motivation from the Learn, Develop, Live podcast. And here is your quote for today. Mirror, mirror on the wall, I'll always get up after I fall. And whether I run, walk, or have to crawl, I'll set my goals and achieve them all. You may well fall. You may even fall very hard, but you can get back up. Whether you run, walk, or even crawl, as long as you are heading in the right direction, it's all progress. You have goals that you want to reach to elevate yourself to the next level. Look in that mirror right now. Who you see is your biggest competition, so don't let the old version hold back the new one trying to come through.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.